We all want to learn something big at some point in our life, but when we search it on the internet, we get more confused. Some show techniques, some teach parts, but no one teaches everything step by step from zero. But this channel is different, and today we begin the journey of how to learn anything from scratch at one place, even if right now you know nothing about it. But wait, what even is learning? Learning is not just remembering facts. It is not about cramming for exams or scoring marks. Real learning is when an idea becomes part of you. When you don't just know something, you understand it so deeply that you could explain it to a child. And once that happens, you are not the same person anymore. And that is knowledge. Not scattered facts but deep understanding of something. Most people don't realize this, but without knowledge, you can't even scroll your phone properly. The phone in your hand only exists because someone somewhere understood something deeply. The fact that you are watching this, understanding what I am saying, that is knowledge. And yet, people spend hours on random videos, but not a few minutes on learning something powerful. But here's the truth. Knowledge is the foundation of everything in this world. If you have knowledge, you can build things, solve problems, create value, and then either money will follow you or you will stop caring about it anymore. Because once your mind is full of real understanding, cheap rewards won't excite you anymore. Most people don't give up because they are lazy. They give up because they are confused. They start learning, but it's all scattered. One video here, one there. No order, no connection. So they jump around, feel lost and quiet. No one gives the full map. No one says, hey, just start from here. One by one, you will get there. That's why I started this channel. Here you will learn the whole subjects in the simplest way, from beginning to the end. This is not a channel for 10 tricks to study faster. This is not about hypes that fade after 1 hour. This is a journey. Every video will be part of a bigger path. And if I don't cover a topic, I'll guide you to the best place that does. You will never feel lost again. You will know exactly what to learn, in what order, and why. Maybe you feel like you are too late, or maybe you have failed before, or that you are not smart enough. But no one is born with understanding. Everyone starts with confusion. The only difference is some kept going and others gave up. Even if you failed in school, even if you think you are too slow, you can learn anything because the brain is not fixed. It grows with effort. All you need is the right direction. That's what I am here to build. This channel Decifra means to decode, and that is the goal, to decode the hardest topics in the world and explain them in the simplest, cleanest way possible, so that anyone from any background can understand reality. I believe knowledge should be simple and available to everyone who wants to grow. The journey starts here. We'll begin learning and teaching actual topics, not shortcuts. Step by step, we will cover everything. Subscribe and watch how much you can grow when you give your time to something that truly matters. Because in the end, it is not about how smart you are, it is about how deeply you care about learning. Welcome to Decifra.